How to get verified in Tinder? Welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm back with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to get verified in Tinder, a feature that adds an extra layer of authenticity to your profile. Let's dive into the process. To initiate the verification process, open your Tinder application on your mobile device. In the home base, click on the icon resembling a window with a search icon next to the home icon. Below, you will notice the Get Verified option. Click on Try Now to begin the verification process. Upon clicking Try Now, Tinder will prompt you to prove that you're the person in your profile by taking a video. Click on Continue to proceed. The app explains that the verification process involves comparing the face in your video selfie to the face in your profile pictures, checking if the facial geometrics appear to match. It's important to know that the face geometry data may be considered biometric data in some regions. After reading the information on how the verification process works, click on Continue to proceed. Before starting the verification, ensure you have proper lighting, face the camera directly, and remove any hats, sunglasses, or face covering. Turn up your brightness to avoid harsh glare, and then click on Continue. The app will ask for access to your camera. Grant permission and place your face within the oval shape to capture the identity. Capture the required video. It is restricted to record the video, so you are not able to see it on the screen. Once the video is recorded, Tinder will compare it to your profile picture to verify your identity. If successful, you will receive the verified status. In the case you wish to get unverified, you will need to navigate to your account settings and delete your account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.